Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Kay Nganyama, popularly known as Kay Darling. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare and install this beautiful hair from Nadula Hair. This video was sponsored by Nadula Hair, so big shout out to Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video. They are currently having an up to 55% off sale on all their wigs, so you better check them out. Now, without further ado, it is about time you start laying these wigs, honey. So please continue watching. If you do like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so just a little information about this hair. It's a 13x4 24-inch Brazilian wig from Nadula Hair. This is hands down the best wig I've ever owned. It's so soft, it's got very minimal shedding, and it's just so easy to work with. I'm gonna go in with some water and conditioner first, just to make sure that any frizz or flyaways are tamed, and it's easy for me then to pin this wig down onto the canvas head, which makes everything so much easier for me. I'm going to make sure that no hair is stuck in between the pins of the canvas head, because I don't want any hair breaking off of the lace or anything like that, and I want, to have a clear canvas and see exactly what I'm doing. In case you're wondering, I got this canvas head and tripod stand from Hair Castle Essentials. I'll put it in the description box. I'm going to go in with some heat protectant. This is like so important, because the tools I'm going to be using on this wig are so hot comb, hair dryer, and I find that when using heat protectant, it's able to keep the style of the wig for much longer. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with my brush and a hair dryer. If you don't have a hot comb, this is always a good method. It acts like a hot comb in inverted commas, and I'm just gonna make sure that the front of the hair is laid flat. I don't want any flyaways. I don't want any bumps, humps, lumps, nothing of that sort. A lot of people know this already, but aren't really willing to be patient and put in the time with any process, whether it's makeup or hair. You need to be really patient. This can take up to 2 hours, and sometimes I can sit for 2 hours doing this process. And it's okay. If you want your hair laid flat, you're gonna put in the work. I'm gonna go in with some mousse just to make sure that this hair stays flat, sleek, and the hair stays pushed back, so that I can proceed and style the rest of this wig. This is the Tresemme mousse, but I highly recommend the olive oil mousse from Clicks as well. You can go ahead and check that out if you can't access this mousse. Another thing that people don't usually know or are aware of is that mousse is meant to give your hair volume. So you will apply mousse, but if you don't go over it with a hair dryer or like anything hot like a hot comb, it will frizz up. It won't frizz up, but it has potential to make your wig look higher. So always make sure that you go in with hair dryer, just to make sure that it lays flat and it captures that style for the rest of the day or for however long you're wearing your wig. Okay, cool. Once the front is done, which is the most important part, I'm going to go in and I'm going to straighten this wig. Notice that I am using a comb to do this while I'm straightening the wig. The straightener that I'm using is the GHD Platinum Gold straightener. You can use any other straightener as long as you have maybe a good serum and heat protectant in order to avoid your hair frizzing up and to protect your hair. I'm then going to go in with some just water and conditioner just to tame away any frizz, hydrate any of the hair and split ends that may be dry, causing the hair to frizz up. My wig is done. It is prepared. I'm going to go in and style it as desired. Today I'm going to open up a middle part because that's just how I'm feeling. However, with this wig, the sides are quite short, so it's quite tricky to open up a side part parting, so you may want to keep that into consideration. If you're a person that likes a side part, maybe this isn't the specific wig for you, but have a browse on their website and I'm sure you'll find a wig that's perfect for you. I'm going to go in with my hot comb. This hot comb goes up to 220 degrees. It is also from Hair Castle Essentials on Instagram, just to flatten out the parts, lay down that hair, avoid any bumpy. I hate eye wig. I want my hair flat in the center, and honestly the center is what makes the wig look so good. So make sure that it's nice and flat and it's perfect when it lands on your head. Okay, that's just me being a perfectionist, but it's probably another reason why these wigs always look so snatched. So unleash the perfectionist in you. It does not work if you are not some level of perfectionist. This wig is ready to lay, and I'm gonna pop it on my head real quick. Okay, cool. If you're new here on my channel, that is me. Hi. I'm gonna go in with a spray bottle, which I've put in some rubbing alcohol into, and a cotton pad, just to remove any moisturizer or oil or anything that may prevent my wig from laying flat onto my skin. I'm just gonna rub that off using a cotton pad. Then I'm gonna go and moisturize my lips because my lips is so ashy. I'm using the 8-hour cream for this, my ultimate favorite. Today I will be using the Ghost Bond glue. I usually use the Got2b glue, but I find that the Ghost Bond glue really keeps the wig laid flat for longer. So if you are looking for something a bit more stronger than the Got2b, I strongly recommend the Ghost Bond glue, and it is from Take-A-Lot. Notice that I'm not putting this glue on my head. It is extremely hard to get off your hair or your skin, so always just make sure that it's slightly in front of your actual hairline. Because this wig is plucked, you know, really finely in front, it allows me that room to be able to put it, you know, closer to my brows than I normally would, and it doesn't make me look crazy. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Also notice that I am doing half of my head first. I'm going to do the next half afterwards. If you're someone that gets overwhelmed by things very easily, then I suggest you do it in threes. So do the first, third, and then the second one, and then the last one. I'm like a pro at this now, so I can do it in halves. What else can I tell you? Oh, so use the back of a comb to apply the glue, and also to spread the glue really thinly and sort of like distribute it across your forehead. If the glue is too thick and it's not spread, it has potential to show under your lace, which you don't want. I'm gonna go in with my finger and just press this down. I'm gonna repeat this process up until the wig is just completely stuck on my head. Don't listen to the hollow words. Don't fall into the hands. Don't follow any other path but your own. Don't need to live up to their demands. Only your heart can tell you what is right. You really should listen to yourself. The only thing that truly matters now is that you're doing well, you're doing well. Don't fall for it. So on this wig today, I'm not going to be doing any baby hairs, but I will be doing a sideburn sort of situation on the side of the wig. This is also just to ensure that the sides don't lift. So by going ahead and, you know, adding some gel to the side of this hair, it also really ensures that the sides stay really stuck on. I didn't know this until much later. It looks cute, but it also really prevents your hair from flapping. I'm going to define the parts in the middle, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure that you have no strands of hair. Then go in with some mousse just to, you know, lay this wig, add more shine. I'm gonna wrap it up while I do my makeup. And yeah, if you do like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. I really hope you learned a thing or two from this video. Check out my makeup tutorials, because child, my makeup be snatched all the time. Give this video a huge thumbs up and leave me some love in the comments. I'll see you in my next video, and thank you so much for watching. Mwah.